everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to delete YouTube Kids profile. Now you can delete a YouTube Kids profile through your linked parent account's family center. Now here's how you get there. Sign in with the parent account linked to your YouTube Kids profile, which has YouTube Kids profile. You can use the app or the website. Then find your child's profile within the family center. And next, navigate to more options for your child's profile and select delete profile. Then confirm the deletion. It's as simple as that. Now deleting the profile will remove all associated data. This includes watch history, search history, and any saved videos. So if you only want to limit your child's YouTube Kids usage temporarily, consider pausing their account or adjusting their screen time limits instead of totally deleting the profile. By following these steps, you can effectively delete your child's YouTube Kids profile. The exact steps and options may vary slightly depending on the device and version of the Family Link app or website. Always refer to the official Google Family Link support documentation for the most up-to-date information. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.